the Hyundai HL955, and we're going to talk about a few of the performance features that give this machine the Hyundai edge. At the back of the machine is our counterweight. We bring all of our machines in with a heavy counterweight. This heavy counterweight offers increased stability and performance with the machine. As we move forward, underneath the hood, the machine is powered by a Cummins QSB 6.7 turbo diesel engine, offering 197 horsepower. This machine is Tier 4 final compliant, and we do that by the use of selective catalytic reduction, or SCR, a diesel oxidation catalyst, or DOC, and the use of DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. All of that combined, treating the exhaust stream after it exits the engine, offers a clean exhaust stream and protects our environment. As we move forward, we'll see our tire and wheel package here. All Hyundai machines are equipped with radial tires. Radial tires provide better performance, added traction, and increased durability over their service life. Not only that, all of our machines are equipped with ZF axles and ZF transmissions. Our ZF axles that we have, our standard axle pairing is a hydraulic locking front axle and conventional rear. There's an optional limited slip package that's available on some models, and on the HL980 we even have a heavy-duty hydraulic locking front axle and a heavy-duty conventional axle. Inside these axles we have our centered brake disc material. This centered brake disc material offers our brakes a longer service life with less heat, less wear, and less noise. All of those features combined add to the enhanced performance of this machine. As we move forward, underneath the center section we have our ZF transmission. This machine is equipped with a 4-speed transmission, and that is our standard transmission. There's an optional 5-speed transmission that also gives you torque converter lockup. That is an optional transmission. As we move to the center section of the machine and we look at performance, you can see our center pivot. Our center pivots on the Hyundai machines offer a limited lifetime warranty, so as long as you own the machine, you're covered for the first owner. If you'll notice that you see the clean layout of all of the linkage and the hose routing, that optimal performance, and it keeps everything really clean when we're in some tough environments. In the front of the machine, we continue to look at our performance enhancements on the HL955. We start with our bucket. One of the improvements that we made on our bucket is these curved side plates. When we think about bucket retention and material retention, we talk about the heap and we think front to back, but also side to side. These curved side plates help with material retention as it flows off the side of the bucket. These curved side plates are made out of AR400, which is a high-strength anti-wear steel. Not only that, but the leading bolt edge for our bucket is also made out of AR400, and then we have a replaceable 3-piece cutting edge that's out on the front of the bucket as well. As we move up on the bucket, we see our spill guard. This is an enhanced spill guard over our 9A series as well. Up at the top, you'll see these wings. These wings are here for a specific reason. As material were to spill over the top of this spill guard, it sheds this material away, keeping out of these crucial wear points, the bucket linkage pins. Those things, we want to make sure that we keep the material out of there so that you can have a long service life. As we move on to our bucket linkage, we have a cast center tube, we have a cast bell crank, and also we have a cast dog bone. All of these cast materials are higher strength than standard steel and add improved durability and performance. Here behind this cover, we have our electronic bucket position sensor. This lets us tell the position of the bucket for performing and programming those bucket kickouts. Not only that, but as we move to our high strength boom, up at the top, we have our boom position sensor, which is also electronic to let us program our boom position as well. Not only that, this machine is equipped with our optional attachment hydraulics. Third spool hydraulics are standard with the machine, but this piping all the way down, it is an option and available from the factory or add on later. Not only that, this machine is also equipped with quick coupler hydraulics. So if you would like to go ahead and add a quick coupler to the machine, you can easily do that. That is another optional feature. All of these pieces add up to about a 5% performance enhancement when we're just looking at the bucket. A couple other features that give us this performance edge are EH controls. And two features related to that EH controls are our soft end stop and our fine modulation. Now what are those? Soft end stop allows us to have a cushioning effect on both boom up, boom down, bucket in, and bucket dump. What it does is that we have the ability to actually cushion that effect at the end of the stroke, and it saves our wear components, those bucket pins and linkages, and actually produces the shock load on the machine. Now they're individually programmable, so you can have either boom up, boom down, bucket in, bucket dump. You can have each one of those either on or off, but they're all programmable within the monitor. The other feature that we have is fine modulation. And what fine modulation does is it slows down the entire function of the machine with the front work group. So both bucket in, bucket dump, boom up, and boom down. It slows everything down. So if you have to have a set of pallets on here, or we're working with some fine materials that you want to be very cautious with, that would be a perfect feature to turn on. Now, all these features we've talked about, so our engine, our axles, the drivetrain, all of our bucket linkage, the performance bucket that we have here, all this stuff adds into a 5 to 10% productivity enhancement over our 9A series, giving you that performance edge. And that is what we like to call the Hyundai Edge.